Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone auto switch off or restart problem. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone automatically switches off or automatically starting or restarts, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app here, and now in settings just go to battery section, and battery just scroll down, look for battery health. And you have to make sure that your battery health is more than 85%. Or if you're facing the issue that your battery is less than 85 or is on 85%, so I recommend you have to try to exchange your battery to with an iPhone original battery. So sometimes it might be that your battery health is no longer more. So you just have to try to exchange your battery health or exchange your battery. Once you have exchanged, it will fix your issue. But if it still not fix your issue, so you can also go to settings here, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your iPhone software haven't any pending software update. So you can see I have a pending update. So you just have to try to update your software because sometimes pending software updates might have these type errors. So once you have updated your software, it will fix if there will be any software issue with your iPhone. Or you can also try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. How to do that? You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry it to open anything else in your phone to check if your issue has been fixed or not. But in case if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to settings app, go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings here, and just enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this app and you'll not get the issue again. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can also try to check your iPhone's hardware to check if your battery is plugged in correctly or there's no any issue with your iPhone's plugins. If you find any issues, you have to try to clean your iPhone plugins and then retry it. Or you can also go ahead to your Apple Support app here. Just go to iPhone. You can easily select Apples and you can easily download or install Apple Support app from your Play Store or App Store. Or you can also go ahead to Apple Support app. From here, just select this more option, then select battery life, and then wait for this loading. Grab and check now option to run a diagnostic on your iPhone. Now just wait for this loading here. Then select this continue option, and here it will tell you about your battery health. So you can see that maximum capacity is 80% or higher and peak performance is normal. So you just have to tap on this continue option here and just tap on this get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.